So my name is Berta, and today on a crash course Samuel Leeds on Saturday in April.
Fantastic. And tell me why you come today. What was the inspiration?
So obviously I've seen a couple of videos of Samuel online, and it's been on YouTube, and it's been kind of, looking what he's doing, what kind of deals he's doing, what kind of his work, and then obviously I've heard about the crash course. I actually wanted to do one in January, but when I wanted to sign up, there was no spaces left. So then I was looking out when is the next one. I signed up for April, and here I am.
Fantastic. And how did it live up to your expectations?
I think it's a really good energy. I feel like Samuel's got so much energy that's you sit here for a couple of hours but you don't get bored, and I think it's very insightful, and I didn't think I will learn as much. I just was like, I will see how it goes, but actually I definitely learned something new which I didn't know before. So especially doing already some research before on the property market, it's good that there is something new still to learn and to find out.
Fantastic. And do you think you got more confident being here today to go and start your own journeys?
Yeah, I think because that was so live, and they were calling agents and literally having a conversation with them over the phone. I think it actually gave me the idea of how I can actually speak with the agents as well myself. So definitely, yeah, a very, very good practical experience, I would say.
Lovely. And tell me a bit about your experience with Samuel. So you say you've seen him online. How was his energy today?
Oh, it's massive. He's got so much energy, that's it's insane. So yeah, it's really, really full of energy. I definitely seen him on videos having so much energy, but that 5-minute video on YouTube and that's it. And he's carrying it throughout the whole session. So yeah, definitely lots of energy.
Excellent. And final question is to people who are thinking about going on the crash course, what would you say?
I mean, there's nothing to lose, right? They are £1, so nothing really. And I think there is always, you can take something out of it, 100%. So there's nothing to lose. It's best thing to do is just do it, I think.